Hey, what's going on, compadre? How you doing? Jeff here. Hope you're having a fantastic day. All right, so very cool traffic strategy to share with you today, guys. All right, so I am always on the lookout for new methods that I can add into my daily traffic routine because 2026 is a year that I am really focusing on doubling down on traffic. I want to generate as many subscribers as I possibly can because I know that in my particular business, because I'm building my email list, that if I double the amount of leads that I am getting, that I double the amount of money that I'm making. And so I'm always looking for fresh strategies and a guy that I am always learning from. I am always checking to see what he is putting out and what he's currently doing in his business so I can replicate it in my own. It's a guy named Max. And a brand new strategy just dropped from him, and it is called Stream Shark. This is actually from Max and Tom E. And I love this method. All right. So came out about a week and a half ago. I of course went through the course before I'm sharing it. I wanted to test it, see how easy it is, see if it really works. And as you'll see lower on this page, you're going to see Max. You can see inside his autoresponder account, see subscribers that he is actually getting every single month. And that's what I love about Max's courses. All right. Tommy and Max, when they put out a course, it's not theory. All right. It's something that's already been proven and that they're already using. A lot of course creators, they will create a course simply around an idea. They haven't actually implemented it yet, actually haven't gotten results with it yet. It just sounds good. And so they create a course around it. Not the case here. So this is already proven and I am already starting to get results with it. It's awesome. And it's called Stream Shark for a reason. You're going to be using their step by step system to automatically create audio clips. All right. So these audio clips, you follow their system step by step. You don't have to think of any of the ideas. You don't have to record the audios yourself. All of this is done for you. All right. So you can get these audio clips literally in minutes if you follow their system, and then you just simply upload them to high traffic audio platforms. And then the third step is simply inserting your money link. All right, you want to monetize each one of these audios that you're uploading, and it really is as simple as that. When I say low hanging fruit, traffic fruit to pick, this really is super simple. Guys, this is not a theory. Max is already using this to get hundreds of leads, earning thousands per month. And because I like this method so much, I reached out to Tom and Max and I got you a 50% off promo code. Anytime I ever promote something, I want to get you guys the absolute best value I possibly can. And guys, I'm not the only one liking this. Over 1,400 copies have sold. It's getting 5-star ratings. And much like other courses from Tom and Max, you'll be implementing this strategy the first day that you go through it. All right. It really is that easy to do. But you can knock this out 15 to 20 minutes per day. Or what I am personally doing is I batch create these audios because these audios are so easy to create that you'll be uploading to these platforms. You can create 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 of these in one sitting very, very quickly. And so that's what I'm doing. I'm creating a bunch of audios at one time, and then I'm just spending a few minutes per day uploading those audios each day. So you get all the audios done, boom, 20, 30 minutes. And then you just spend literally a few minutes each day just posting the audios. And you can literally bring in hundreds of leads per month doing this one strategy. And that's all it takes. Those are the steps. All right. So free tools do all the heavy lifting. You don't have to sit and write. You don't have to overthink. You don't have to think at all. The free tools do everything. All right, so I got you the 50% discount. That is the first thing that I got you. But then I reached out to Max and Tom, asked them if they could hook you up with anything else, and they obliged. All right, so let's talk bonuses real quick, guys. Big bonus number one, you're going to get free access to Tom and Mark Gray's recent launch called Free Buyer Clicks for Life. This is a full 11 module course, and this is going to show you how to siphon thousands of free leads off of LinkedIn. So I haven't gone over this entire course yet. I have gone over the first few videos, and I am really liking this as well. I think I'm going to be able to find a place to do this daily, start generating more leads. And this really got my attention. Before you start the course, it starts off with this paragraph here. This course is unlike any other course you've ever purchased. You normally have to pay $1,000 for this kind of information, as the training is very detailed. Make sure you don't miss one single step. And so that got my attention. I went through the first few videos. I am really pumped to put this into action. That is bonus number one. You're going to be getting that for free. You can actually see the sales page here if you want to check it out. All right, so big bonus number two is Vibe Code Blueprint. This is a brand new course from Max and Tom, just came out recently as well, still selling like hotcakes. And not only are you going to get the full Vibe Code Blueprint course, but check out what Tom sent me. So Tom sent me a message on Facebook, and he said, hey, I'm going to give you Vibe Code Blueprint, but also a custom AI. So Tom wrote this to where the course is actually in the custom GPT. This plugs right into Chat GPT, the free version. The course is inside it, and then it walks you through step by step the entire course, and actually shows you step by step how to start vibe coding and create your very first software. Whatever you want to do with vibe coding, this is going to walk you through step by step. So guys, I am brand new to vibe coding. If you've heard of it before, then this is going to be a huge asset for you. And if you haven't heard of it yet, and you're kind of new to it like me, this is actually very interesting. I've gone through the first few videos. You can create everything from software, anything you can think of, guys. You can get AI to create it for you. You can be the owner of your own software platform. You can create all sorts of cool stuff through vibe coding, and this course is going to show you exactly how to do it 100% for free. All right, big bonus number three is free access to Tom and Mark Gray's recent launch called Borrowed Trust Payday. This is a full 9-module course showing you how to siphon thousands of free leads from Core. Now, this is cool. This is a totally unique way that I've seen through Core. So it's called Borrowed Trust for a reason. You're going to be using a site called Medium and Quora together. And when you use those two sites together, it makes it a lot easier to get your affiliate links seen, and your affiliate links won't get ghosted, all that kind of cool stuff. So just another great addition to your daily traffic routine that you can add with bonus number three there. All right. And then also, let's get back to this page real quick. We'll get into the OTOs in just a minute, but I want to just talk about the big picture, guys, because my big goal for you, and I think this is a goal that all new affiliate marketers should have, is that one, you should have a list building funnel of some sort in place when you're driving traffic so that you're building your email list. All right, you can use another system like the Easy Commission funnel, all that kind of good stuff, but you want to make sure that you're building your email list. And then, guys, with your daily traffic routine, get to a point where you're generating at least 10 new email subscribers per day. Because here's the reality. When you get to the point where you're consistently generating 10 leads per day from a high quality traffic source, such as Streamshark or free buyer clicks daily, or from Borrowed Trust Payday, you're going to get access to all of those when you pick up Streamshark today. But just focus on one to start. All right, focus on one of these strategies. Each of those strategies can drive you 10 new email subscribers per day if you focus on it. And once you get to that level, guys, that is more than enough. 10 new email subscribers every single day is more than enough to earn at least 4 figures every single month online. You just want to make sure that your follow-up game is in place, that you're building your list, you have email follow-ups going out. And I actually am going to add another bonus. You won't see it on this page because I'm just thinking of it right now, but I'm going to go ahead and add an additional bonus that you'll get access to when you pick up Streamshark. And it's a video that I created where I go over my exact business model. It's super simple, guys. I walk it through you step by step, how you can set it up in your current life, in your current business. I'll go ahead and add that as a bonus as well. That's the big picture. Just wrap your brain around that. Focus on that. Focus on getting 10 new email subscribers per day, and you are going to be in good position to start earning a ton of money every single month. All right, let's get into the upsells real quick, guys. So OTO one, it's called the auto income OTO. I'll get into that more in depth in just a minute. Let's get into the other OTOs first. OTO two, we send you the buyer clicks. This is where they're going to send you buyer traffic. If that is something you might be interested in, go for it. OTO three, access to all of our buyers for life. This is another similar offer, and I can kind of give you some insight into that because I've purchased this in the past. And what happens is in their future launches, when people buy their products, well, they're going to take your link, you submit your link to them after you purchase, and then in their future launches, what they're going to do is they're going to put your link in on their member page. And so the members are going to come through, they're going to see extra bonuses, they're going to click, and it's going to go to your link. So pretty cool OTO there. Figures for the rest of us is their flagship coaching program. So if that might interest you, pay attention to it. And then you have the reseller rights, which is 100% commissions. I want to focus in on the OTO one. I really like this OTO. So with OTO one, this kind of goes back to the big picture where I talk about have a list building funnel of some sort in place. That's what OTO one is, plus an additional strategy that they teach, which I really, really like. So the personal opt-in page, you're going to get a opt-in page ebook, which is basically a lead magnet. You're going to get their offer that you can promote, including an affiliate link with guaranteed approval. You're going to get their autoresponder sequence done for you. And this right here, guys. So this is the part of OTO one that I really like. What this is going to teach you to do is we're already uploading audios right now with Streamshark in order to get traffic. These audios super simple to create. You upload them, get traffic. What they're going to teach you here is how to do the same thing except with images. You can do the same thing so easily right now, especially with AI. You can have AI create you unique images, and then you upload those images to certain high traffic image sites, and there is a way to get traffic back to your affiliate link when you upload these images. So I thought that was super cool. That's my definite favorite part of the OTO. I didn't use any of the other parts of the OTO because I already have my funnel in place. Perhaps you would like to use that part of it, but the main thing about OTO one that I like the most is the uploading images. So with Streamshark, if you pick up OTO one, you'll be able to upload images to get traffic as well as the audio portion as well. And then of course, easy step-by-step instructions of how to set it up. Guys, I really, really like this traffic strategy. Like I said, what I'm doing is I'm batch creating these audios all in one sitting. Doesn't take me long to do it all. And then literally in minutes per day, I'm uploading the audios that I created to the platforms that they showed me in the course and already starting to bring me traffic. As you'll see in the second video on this page, it's getting max around 500 leads per day, I believe is what he's averaging, 1,800 leads over 4 months. That's what he is doing. So that is a lot of leads in a very short period of time. And that amount of lead flow coming into your funnel is more than enough to earn 4 figures per month. All right. Remember the big picture that I talked about. So couldn't recommend this highly enough. Liked it so much that I went out and got you access to 3 additional courses, 100% for free. And of course, you're going to get 50% knocked off of it for being my subscriber. Take advantage of it and definitely reach out to me and let me know your results. Peace.